Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we have that elephant that I've been telling you about. Yes, all the way from Temu. And let's get into this lovely little elephant. Now this elephant apparently has coloured, like multicolours for the ears and stuff, so I think it's going to be quite a very nice one indeed. And oh wow, okay, yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that colourful. Okay. Oh wow, okay, interesting. Wow. Okay, so this is the little elephant in here, and if you lay it sort of sideways, it looks like a bit like a butterfly in some respects. But let's get into here and see what this beautiful little elephant looks like. Oh wow, he is tiny. Look at that, he's so small. Oh wow, okay, yeah, so this is yeah, it's totally turned up a little bit different than what I expected it. I'll put the link in the description of the video so you can see it for yourself, but I thought it would have may have had a little bit more like grey colours, because obviously elephants are grey, but overall it's, you know, still a nice picture. 13 here with the schematic, but I think it's got a little bit too much colour, especially with the the reflection in the water. Yeah, a little bit disappointed on this one, I have to say. I've been really like excited to, you know, see what it looks like, and yeah, I thought it'd be a little bit more different. I mean, that's what it's going to look like up there, so we'll just have to wait and see, because this is obviously light around it, and then it's got like a lot of colour going around here. Yeah, and then it looks as if they've had a bit of a fight with the rotary cutter, because as you can see here, we've got half of the next one off. So I suspect what they do is they, you know, there's a big strip of all these paintings, because you can see the border there. So where they've gone to cut it, they've sliced a little bit off of the picture that would have sit next to it. Overall, it's still a good image. Not 100% liking this, but yeah, it is what it is. On this one, it's the way of advertising, isn't it? Because they make it look really nice online, and then when you get it, it's not as good. So yes, I am disappointed with this. I just feel like there's too much colour. I do love colourful paintings, but with this elephant, I think it's a little bit too much colour, if you ask me. Now, moving on, this is our little light, oh my god, light boat. It's been a long day. Our tray, so tray with our wax, and then these are going to be our jewels in here. So let's have a look in here and see what we got. Okay, so inside here we've got like a purpley blue there, and then we've got a lighter blue and a grey, very beautiful peach colour there, a sort of minty ice blue teal colour there, a really lovely dark shade of blue there, sort of very light pink, and then a sort of like it's like a dark pink, but you know, just sort of like in the middle. And then we've got a very nice colour here. That's gorgeous. What's that? Number 9. That's coming up as a 3743. Wow, I like that. Then we've got a brown and a sort of burgundy colour, a lovely minty colour, and a purple again. So perhaps a darker shade to sort of, perhaps a little bit darker than that one. So overall, yes, I'm disappointed with the painting, purely because I would have thought I knew it had colour, but I didn't think it would be this colourful. So I really want to get an elephant that, you know, like an African elephant, to go with my, there's a tiger that I got from one of the companies that I shop with, and I want it to go with that so that I can do like a zoo sort of thing, because I did a zoo theme last year, you see, and I don't recall working on an elephant. So I want to do another zoo theme. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments, guys. That is our little unboxing with our tray, pen and wax. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. But until next time, thank you for watching. If you want to get this for yourself, of course, the link's in the description. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye now.